I figured since I got time, I might as well take this back bumper apart so I can drop the piece off to get repainted. I think all I need to, I think this is 3 pieces, 1, 2, and 3. This is the side I need to take off because of this right here. And I'll probably give it, I don't know, that's nothing right there, that little piece. I do have touch-up paint and I could do that. I'm gonna take this piece off right here. So, take the bumper off real quick. But yeah, let me get set up and be right back. Alright, 13 millimeter is half inch seems to work. I don't know, I tried it on one of these bolts right here and it went on, so I'm just gonna use that for right now. I already took, this has 4 on this side and 4 on that side. I already took 3 off on this side and 3 off on the other side, so there's only 1 on each side. Probably should have disconnected the connectors before I did that. There's a connector for these lights. Alright, that's connected. Disconnected. Gotta look under there, make sure everything's disconnected. There's a connector on this side too for the reverse lights. Looks like I gotta pop these tabs out right here too. I didn't think I had to do all of this, but let's grab a flathead screwdriver. Well, this hammer will do. I can use this. Whatever works. It's not gonna work because the bumper's in the way. So I'm just gonna have to find a flathead screwdriver. I could probably use this too to just stick it in there and pop them up. And now, this wire, I have to take two nuts off because it's like tangled up, so I have to take it off. I don't know what size those are, probably 10 millimeter. But they are right in here. I don't know what size they are. The 10s right here. Hopefully they're a 10. Not a 10. Not a 10. Let's see if they're a half. too big. Come on. Try this 11. Yeah, the 11 fits. I said 11, but this thing says 7/16, so my toolbox is all messed up. I need to organize it. Show you guys what I'm doing real quick. I'm taking these off. There's one here and one over there. You see how the wire is tangled up in there? So I'm gonna have to do this. So it's not 11, it's a 7/16. I was looking at one of those Milwaukee ratchet, cordless ratchets. I need one of those like that. When I went to go buy it, they were sold out. I should have bought it when I first saw it. It was on sale. You buy 2 batteries and a charger for $150, and you get a free tool. By the time I went to go buy it, all the ratchets was gone. Alright, those are finally off. So now I can get this wire untangled. Alright. So the 2 plugs is off and the wire is untangled. Time to take this thing off. You gotta be careful because you got these things in the corner over here. I hope I don't have to take this whole thing apart. Damn bump is heavy as shit. Alright, so the only piece I need is this side over here. I really want him to fix this, so I'm going to bring him this piece too. So, guess I'm going to go to the grass over there for that. No, I can stay here. So this is the plug right here that I had to disconnect. And this one right here, this is for the reverse lights. And this is for the plate lights. I need to bang this side out because it got banged in during the accident. Move this out of the way. I don't know, I'm not really worried about that. But what I do need to do is take those bad pieces off. So that's what I'm about to do. Pop these things out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, but I only got 3. These are the ones I popped out earlier. Put these away so I don't lose them. And there's some little stubs right here. These little things, don't lose them. This one over here too. Alright, so I'm only giving them this side, the driver's side. I gotta take this light out of this side, but I haven't fixed this piece. See, I gotta take the light out. But that's about it. I put the bumper back on and I'll be able to drive it. I got the pieces off. I'm gonna take this light out. This is what got damaged from the accident. That's about it. I'm going to take this light out, and that's it. I'm going to put this bumper back on, drop this off for him to paint it. That's about it. MIKEGTV. B.